In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change audio volume in DaVinci Resolve. If you need to make a clip louder or quieter quickly, this is one of the easiest adjustments you can make inside DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple technique, but it's very useful when you're editing dialogue, music, sound effects, or really any kind of audio in your timeline. To begin, go to your audio clip in the timeline. Make sure you can clearly see the clip you want to adjust. If needed, you can zoom in a little on the timeline so it's easier to work with, especially if the audio track looks small or crowded. The goal is to find the clip you want to change and focus on the middle area of that sound clip. Once you're there, hover your mouse over the middle of the audio clip. As you move your cursor into the correct spot, you'll be able to interact with the volume level directly from the clip itself. This is a very fast way to make adjustments without opening any extra panels or settings. Now simply click and drag up or down. If you drag upward, you'll increase the volume and make the audio louder. If you drag downward, you'll decrease the volume and make it quieter. As you do this, pay attention to the amount of change you're making so you don't push the level too high or too low. Small adjustments are often best, especially if you're trying to balance one clip with the rest of your project. This method is great because it gives you a quick visual and hands-on way to control your sound. If your voice recording is too soft, drag it up a little. If your background music is overpowering your narration, drag it down until it sits more comfortably in the mix. It's an easy way to make your edit sound cleaner and more professional. That's it. That's how you change audio volume in DaVinci Resolve. Just go to the audio clip, hover over the middle of the sound, then click and drag up or down to adjust the volume. Once you try it a couple of times, it becomes second nature and makes audio editing much faster.